I think it's fire.
Yeah. You're just burning a bunch of dead trees.
I don't know, but it looks like it's from Mayon.
I know. It's the
Because
color.
it's higher.
You know? It's like it's like all the same color.
Yeah.
Usually with fire, there's different colors. You know.
Yep. See when I zoom it?
Mm-hmm.
It's fire. See that? Oh my god, my camera. Look at that. Woo, big fire.
Mm-hmm.
But when I back it, look, it's just small, tiny, but it's up.
It's far away though.
I know, but it's weird. Could be lava. See, it's getting small. Look at the camera.
Yeah, I know. I can see it here. It's getting small.
So, I think
I wonder what it was. What it is.
we're gonna look at it tomorrow. If it's the part of Mayon volcano. Could be lava.
Also, just burning a whole bunch of trees.
Because it's
but-
freaking up. Look at that.
Yeah, no, it's high. It's high up.
Here's the building, and then it's
Yeah.
high up, and that's it. Freaking fire.
But it's facing us. It's not facing Bongo, you know?
Yeah, I wonder how people didn't see it. Especially near there. Weird.
Yeah. Well, there's no light over there. It's all dark, and then there's the fire. So it's like, you think that people are going to see it, right?
Yeah. I thought there's a street light there. That's weird. See, it's high. That's freaking weird. That's scary.
Mm-hmm.
Because when we look at the vernacular, it looks like lava that's going down.
Yeah.
It's getting small now.
Yeah.
It's getting small now. I think the volcano is mad.